wonderful to have you all here. And, of course, some of them may know, but basically, how did the group get together?
Well, different versions.
I think I met John first. I was on a train, I met John, and Mike was collecting the tickets, I think you were, and Terry and Eric were doing a bank robbery down there. It was a sort of great train robbery time.
Are you in the group?
You? Sorry, my name's Eddie.
He's not in the group.
Eddie Izzard.
Are you in the group?
Yeah. I think I'm not in this show.
Okay, please. You're not in the group. You're not in the group.
Sorry, 30 years ago.
I don't know how this happened. Get your own show. Go to your own
I can do the
Get your own jokes.
strange women lying about in pods.
We're off.
I'm so sorry. The security around here is ragged, you know.
You were a fool for a minute.
So, let me ask you this. How did you all get together?
I remember that John had run me.
I remember sort of meeting Mike doing this show called Just a Set. And then what's this thing?
I noticed a tendency for this program to get rather silly. Now, I do my best to keep things moving along, but I'm not having things getting silly.
You were 6, and of course, Graham Chapman passed away in 1989. He would have loved this. He would have.
But he's dead.
He is no more.
Stone dead.
He is no more.
Yeah.
Cease to be.
Stone fucking dead.
That's his chair there.
Yeah.
It's a tragedy.
You've got a nice chair for him, but he won't.
I'm sorry that I never met the man, and I wish he could be here because he would love this.
Well, he is here. Actually, I mean, I brought him.
You
from
brought
London.
him?
Yes. Shall we have him on?
Please?
Yeah. Graham Chapman.
Keep quiet.
Knights who say ni. Monty Python and the Holy Grail.
We are now no longer the knights who say ni.
The Knights Who Say Ni are one of the most memorable bands of knights from the Holy Grail. They refuse King Arthur passage unless he brings them a shrubbery, all the while shouting the sacred words ni at the king. While no unintended laughs made it into the final film, there are plenty of outtakes for this scene, revealing how much the Pythons struggled to keep it together to capture it.
Sir Robin! You said the word! Sir Robin! My liege, it's good to see you! Oh, you did it again!
Their leader, played by Sir Michael Palin, gave a hilarious deadpan delivery for the character. It was so funny it proved too much for the cast to handle, and in one shot, Palin's beard even falls off.
Knee in your knickers.
The Bridge of Death. Monty Python and the Holy Grail.
What is your quest?
To seek the Holy Grail.
What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Right, off you go.
Oh, thank you.
Another one of the many iconic moments in Holy Grail is when their path takes them to the Bridge of Death, and they're required to answer 3 questions to pass. Failing that, they will be hurled off the bridge, falling to their death.
What is your quest?
To seek the Holy Grail.
What is the airspeed velocity of an unladen swallow?
What do you mean? An African or European swallow?
Huh? I don't know that.
They managed to get professional takes for the final product, but the outtakes show it was quite difficult to do so. Lancelot, played by John Cleese, is asked 3 comically simple questions, the last one asking his favourite colour. He's supposed to say red, but in one outtake, Cleese completely forgets the line and says, "It depends, really."
What is your favorite color?
Well, depends really.
Ypres 1914, Monty Python's Flying Circus. Our first Flying Circus entry is of the sketch Ypres 1914, where the Pythons are acting as English soldiers in the First World War.
How many are there of us? Well, sir, there's you, me, Jenkins, Padre, Kipper. There's 5, sir.
And only rations for...
4, sir.
Precisely. I'm afraid one of us will have to take the other way out.
There were 5 soldiers, but only enough rations for 4, causing them to enter a debate about who will be left behind. First, they draw straws to decide, but after drawing the short straw 3 times in a row, Graham Chapman is displeased.
Best of 3?
He claims that lets him choose how they determine who will stay behind, and eventually suggests they settle it with fisties.
I think fisties would be best. Okay, so hands behind backs. After 3, okay? 1, 2, 3.
The silliness of the line causes Cleese, playing an armless character, to visibly have a hard time stifling his laughter. French castles.